Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the small Iniu power bank. Now this one is 45 watts and it's got 10,000 milliamps. So it's good enough to charge phones, tablets and also laptops. So I'll show you how this works and how to use it. So I'm just going to unbox it here, remove it from the box here. Looks like it's already charged. It's about 50% charged just by the looks of it. So the port here looks like it gives an indicator of how much it's charged. It's a fast charge. Okay, so at the top here it's got two USB-C ports and one USB-A port. So the first one in and out, second one in and out, and the third one's only out. So if you want to charge it, you can use the first two. You can see it's got the three bars here. Now on the side here, it gives you an indicator to see how much is charged. So 3 out of 5. So not technically sure whether that's actually 50% or not. And it's got a little torch. You gotta just quickly tap on the power button to turn it on and off. It's nice and easy. And now, so you're thinking this loop here, it's actually a USB-C to USB-C cable. You plug it in here in the first one and then you plug in the other end. So let me just try plugging into a mobile phone. Okay, so plugging it here and it should just power it up. So this phone is not charged at all. So yep, that works. At least that comes up. Now let's try with a Surface laptop. So generally the Surface laptop needs around 65 watts, but it looks like just plugging this in, it looks like it's actually is charging it. Now the thing I noticed with using these power banks is it doesn't actually increase the battery. All it does is tries to maintain it so you don't run out of battery. So let's have a look here. You notice that the indicator shows that it's charging. So that's the charging indicator. So if I compare it with the bigger version, you can see that there's the bigger version. I'll put a video link to when I review the bigger version. So this one here, obviously it holds more battery. It's a lot bigger and it's also a lot heavier. It's got the little screen that shows you how much battery is left. I hope this video helped. If it did, please give a like and subscribe to the channel.